Welcome to Foley Systems. Today, we're diving into virtualization with Hyper-V. Whether you're setting up a test environment or deploying a production-ready VM, Hyper-V makes it seamless. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to load up your Hyper-V manager and select your current desktop or server you're wanting to do. Then you come over here, click New Virtual Machine. Of course, it'll tell you before you begin. So name your virtual machine. So we're just going to make it a Windows. You could change your location of the virtual machine, but we'll leave it at the default path. Now, when choosing the generation 2 is only 64-bit and uses UEFI, while generation 1 uses 32 or 64-bit. So for your more older Linux servers or any load balancer software, use Cisco software virtual machines. Generation 1 is generally you want to be at, while Generation 2 is more of your more modern Ubuntu, your Windows servers, anything that is 64-bit, you should run a Generation 2. But if you don't know, just stick to Generation 1. So we'll go with Generation 1 for this demonstration. So how much memory you want to allocate? We'll do 8 gigabytes. So delete the 4, enter 8. And when you configure the network, you can do it through the default switch, which by default, without configuring anything else, you'll have a default switch. That means it's going to use network address translation, NAT. So make sure you want your virtual machine, virtual hard disk to be named the name of the virtual machine, and how much storage you want to allocate. So say 200 gigabytes, or you could just attach a virtual hard disk later. And then what you're going to do with your installation. So we're going to do it from our folder. For instance, it's in my downloads. Should be at least, let's see, Proxmox, there we go, Windows 11. And then it'll tell you the summary, how much memory, network, etc. You'll click finish. If you need to change any settings, you'll just click settings. You go to your processor, edit the cores it has, your hard drive, IDE controllers, your network adapter. Let's say, well, my OS doesn't support the newer one. There is a add hardware feature called Legacy Network Adapter. It'll work with every OS. And then make sure you hit apply to apply those changes. You'll double click on your virtual machine you just created. Click start. And then it will start the installation process or the ISO up. And that's how you create a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Your virtual machine is up and running on Hyper-V, ready for whatever you throw at it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. See you in the next one.